Once you've logged into the employer portal, you'll be taken to your organisation's dashboard where you'll have a pending return. You now need to enter your workers into the system. Manually entering worker details is done individually through the portal. For this first quarterly return, all workers will be new workers. You'll need to enter a street address so the worker can be sent a welcome pack. The worker's registration date must be the 1st of July, unless they commenced work after that date. Back on the returns page, you will need to enter the hours the worker completed during the period and the ordinary pay they received for this work. For details about what ordinary pay covers, see the PLSA website. Once you enter the worker's hours and ordinary pay for the period, the portal will automatically calculate the levy payable. If the worker took long service leave during the quarter, you will need to notify the authority by clicking on that option. Take time to review the quarterly return and ensure all details are correct. On the returns page, you will now see your invoice along with payment details. For any questions, our customer service and education team is here to help and can be contacted by phone or email.